It all started with an invitation to the community to sing Calon Lan. And we would donate £1,000 to the new town memorial. Somehow, a singing bin man got involved, and word went around the town. Calon Lan, not Calon Lawn, Welsh. It goes, Ni dwi'n gofyn bywyd moethus, a'r y byd na'i berlau man.
Hey mate, there's a whole film crew here. Go for it. It could go viral.
Some weeks later, people who had never sung in Welsh before, people who rediscovered their mother tongue, and fluent Welsh singers came together, and the town discovered its voice. We were very proud to sponsor it, and instead of the Eisteddfod coming to Llangollen, tonight we bring Llangollen to the Eisteddfod.
Gofyn oedd galon hapus, calon ofnus, calon lan. Calon lan y ffawddau oli, terfad yw gael I glos. Dim ond calon lan a'ch gael I, gan i'r dydd a chan i'r nos. Hyd yma nhw dolyd bydol. Pi ma denydd hyd o sydd, golyd cadw'n lafri werddol. Gadal I a esmechon. Calon Lan.